Hi beautiful people. So if you watch my videos and resonate with them, you are most welcome to join my one-on-one coaching sessions. The link of a video is mentioned in the description box down below. If you watch that video, you will get to know about why I can be the right fit for you guys to have coaching sessions with me. Even if you are not interested in having coaching sessions currently, still I suggest you to watch that video because that video is really informative also. You will get to know about many things that you might be facing in your life. Not only that, sometimes people are unaware of their issues because they are experiencing issues in all aspects of their life. So they start to accept everything as fate. They become numb because they are not connected with their true emotions. They don't realize what they can do to change their circumstances. Some of you might not be resourceful yet, or some of you might not have the time to take my coaching sessions. So, for those people, I must say go and get the necessary information. And when you become resourceful and have the time in future to have coaching sessions with me, then you are most welcome. See you guys in my next video. Take care, stay blessed.